You stand beside it. Sige, ilalagay kita sa YouTube. Ilalagay kita sa YouTube. Kala mo. Ipopost ko sa YouTube. Come here, Kay, so that I can put you in YouTube.
No, I don't want to be in YouTube.
That's the only way I can, my family can see it. That's why I always post it in YouTube.